What's up, you guys? So I'm gonna remove the makeup from my prior fairy look that I did, and I'm going to moisturize my face, apply some foundation, some concealer, and some powder.
My silver soul, can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.
So now I'm taking this sponge and some black face paint, and I'm kind of just mimicking what's in this photo here that I show you.
I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Now I'm going to take this black and I'm going to apply it to my forehead and down my neck. I mixed this light brown, this black, and this dark brown shade, and I kind of cut out my collarbone area, my cheekbones, and add a little bit more to my neck and my forehead.
You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess, found myself in my regret.
I'm just darkening up this area with some more black face paint.
Now, a little stronger now.
Now taking a thin brush and some black face paint, I'm just going to make thin strokes down my face. Now I'm taking some black eyeshadow and just darkening up my eyes.
My heart of gold, after my silver soul, can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
Now taking this magenta color and this red, I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks, the tip of my nose, the tips of my ears, and a little bit on my chin.
'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess, found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Now taking some white body paint, I'm just going to draw a few lines on my face and some dots.
Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
A little bit of a black lipstick by Kat Von D now.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
So I actually ended up not liking this wig, so completely disregard this part. I just used my actual hair.
Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Pop in some creepy contacts and you're all set to hit the streets. Oh, don't forget to throw on a little bit of eyeliner as well.